Isoleucine is one of the essential amino acids, meaning that the body cannot produce it on its own and must obtain it through dietary sources. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which play crucial roles in various physiological processes in the body. Protein synthesis. Isoleucine is involved in the synthesis of proteins. It is particularly important for muscle protein synthesis, making it crucial for muscle growth, repair, and overall maintenance. Energy regulation. Isoleucine is also a branched-chain amino acid, BCAA, along with leucine and valine. These BCAAs play a role in regulating energy balance in the body and are often used by athletes and fitness enthusiasts to support physical performance. Organs benefited. While isoleucine benefits the body as a whole, its importance is particularly notable in tissues with high protein turnover, such as skeletal muscles. How it's used in the body. Isoleucine, like other amino acids, is incorporated into proteins through a process called protein synthesis. In times of increased energy demand, it can also be converted into acetyl-CoA and enter the Krebs cycle to produce energy. Sources of isoleucine in the diet. Dietary proteins. Good dietary sources of isoleucine include meat, especially poultry and fish, eggs, dairy products such as milk and cheese, and plant-based sources like legumes and nuts. Supplements. In some cases, people may use isoleucine supplements, particularly in the context of athletic performance or muscle building. However, it's generally recommended to obtain nutrients from whole food sources when possible. Recommended daily intake. The recommended daily intake of isoleucine, like other amino acids, can vary depending on factors such as age, sex, weight, and level of physical activity. In general, adults are recommended to consume about 10 milligrams of isoleucine per kilogram of body weight. It's important to note that maintaining a balanced and varied diet that includes a mix of protein sources is key to ensuring an adequate intake of isoleucine and other essential amino acids. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice.